Alright, what up y'all, it's Matt. So today I'm working on the Vinson project, and I'm working on the cylinder, getting that straightened out. So I got the cylinder right here in my seat, and I'm going to show y'all what we're doing with this thing. So you can see the top of it is damaged. It's scored all up in there. You know, it's all messed up. Yeah. So the plating is splotchy, it's scored, and it has to be redone. So with these cylinders, they're coated with something called nickel silicon carbide. They call it Nikasil or Nikasil or whoever you get it from. You know, it's all the same stuff pretty much as far as I know. But it's basically cleaned up, honed out, all the plating stripped off. They put it in a tank. They, you know, use electricity to plate the new stuff on. Then they hone it out with a diamond hone to get it back to the factory spec, and then they check the head or they check it to make sure it's flat, you know, so that it's not warped, and they do all that fun stuff. Basically, no one does it locally. You're not going to find anyone that does it locally. It's pretty specialized, and it has to be shipped off. So there's a couple companies that do it. There's Millennium Technologies, there's Power Seal USA, and there's US Chrome. And I've talked to Power Seal, and they have a pretty good price right now. And their customer service seems pretty good because I've talked to them a couple times with questions, and they've always been good to answer. So this is going to them. And then when we get it back, we're going to see what it looks like. But I got it in a box over here. I'll show you how I packaged it. But I'm going to get a close-up on the cylinder just for my sake, you know, before and after. Why not? All right, so you can see it's all like bare aluminum. There's all the scuffing. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. So there's a before, and when we get the new one, we'll compare it and see the after. But I bet you it's going to be awesome. This is so splotchy and so bad. All the rest of it's good. Honestly, it's not even that deep. It's like tissue paper deep. Those gouges are, but you can see the plating. It's supposed to look like a perfect bore, and this thing is worn out and damaged. So I'm gonna ship it off. All right, so I got this thing all packed up legit. So I got this thing is awkward to pack. I got like 2 cardboards like this, put them underneath it, then put the top part. This is the part that goes into the motor. I put the top part down, and then I got my packing peanuts all the way around it. One popped out. And then I got my packing slip somewhere in there, like y'all care. I'm just showing you how I did it here. And then we got it just like that. And then we're going to hit UPS. All right, so I got it all packaged up and ready to go. But I'm going to have to wait like a week to finish this video. But y'all get to see it instantly. So when I snap my fingers, we're going to have the new cylinder. Yes, my cylinder came in. All right, let's check it out. I got it in this bigger box so I can stuff all this stuff down here. Oh, man. Whoa. Wow, that looks brand new. Oh my God. I am astonished. Wow, that looks brand new. Man, they did a good job. You can see the cross hatching on the inside of that thing. Wow, that looks brand new. Even on the outside, it looks brand new too. Man, look at the plating on that. That is thick. I got it back from Power Seal. And that Nikasil coating, well, they call it Nikasil. Man, that looks good. Oh, it's perfect. And I guess they bead blasted the rest of it. But I don't know where I'm going with this video. I got to put the rest of it back together. I got to put the head on it and do all that kind of fun stuff. And put all the studs back in here. Do all that. I'm still waiting on my piston and stuff, so I can't put the whole thing back together. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. So if y'all want to know where I sent the cylinder off to get it fixed up, I'll put a link in the description to Power Seal USA. Don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. And don't forget to comment and subscribe for the next video of me putting this thing back together. Peace.